welcome back everyone for some more Super Mario Galaxy. And now we're going to be playing as Luigi. And now it's time to take on, well, not take on, talk to the mail toad. Letter addressed to Mario, that's not nice. Oh, okay. See, I kind of figured, I was wondering why I didn't get 21 ups whenever I played as Mario, and I just remembered, you don't get 21 ups with Mario, you get 20 with Luigi. And I think that's because, well, the only reason I can think of is because it's a bit harder to control Luigi, which, to me, I'd actually think, especially right now, I can already get a pretty good feel for him. I actually find it easier to control Luigi than Mario. It just seems like Luigi has more freedom of movement about him. But anyway, we're gonna be moving on to the dusty Dune Galaxy. But yeah, I just love how Luigi moves in this game, the way he jumps, the way he runs. But anyway, we're gonna take on the first mission, and Luigi will be soaring on the desert winds. I'm hoping this galaxy goes a lot better than what Freeze Flame did. I'm still trying to figure out why I suck so bad at Freeze Flame. But hopefully I won't stink at this one. Ignore the dry bones here. And the goal here is to ride these tornadoes from, I guess you'd call them islands. And whatever you do, do not fall in the sand because that is instant death. And the objective for me, anyway, is to get to that green pipe over there. Just gotta go down here. And there's actually a pretty neat area here in this underground segment. Okay, oh. Wow, that didn't work out well. That's exactly what I did not want to have happen. And I can't even get back up there. Okay. Gotta watch out for this swamp here. But yeah, the moving sand... Oh, nice! But anyway, this moving sand here can be quite a pain in the neck, especially around the swamps. Around the Piranha Plants, too, if you think about it. Might as well get the star bits here while I'm waiting for the swamp. Yeah, whatever you do, do not fall down there. That acts like almost like a bottomless pit. Well, it is pretty much a bottomless pit, but... it's pretty much something you can't recover from. What I do is collect these star bits here. Can't believe I got 24 lives. Holy crap. Okay. Get as many coins as I can from here. And once you get all those coins, as you can see there, the star bits disappear. But now it's time to get this question mark coin, which gives me this fire flower. You don't have to take out all the Piranha Plants here, just the ones at the bottom, but I just find it easier just to take out all of them down along this corridor here. Just long jump down here because there's a big boulder that will chase you. Okay, get the... Oh! Oh my god. I see, I was too busy worrying about the star bits there. I completely forgot that I fell through that monster. Oh man. But anyway, I still can't believe that. At least I was able to get on top of those bricks this time. Yeah, hopefully things go by smoother this time. See, I could already tell that my mood has completely changed since I switched to Luigi. I'm just having a blast playing as him. I just think I just got Mario fatigue in that I did play for him for pretty much the entire playthrough. I don't think I've played as Luigi once throughout this Mario Galaxy playthrough, and it's nice to give the little big brother, or should I say the big little brother, a chance here. Because Mario is the big brother out of the two. Good thing is I got my extra life back via the star bits. Okay, when I get to the monster, at least get through it this time. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a lot of star bits there, but I think if I would have positioned my cursor a little bit better, I think I would have been able to get a lot more. But I'm not too worried about it. I mean, I do have 125. And with Luigi too, I should say too, because he can jump higher. Whenever he gets out of these tornadoes, he can actually fly higher too, and also fly a bit further. Gotta watch out for these stupid bomb chickens. Okay, just gotta be real careful here not to get pushed by the sand. For the most part, I think this mission of Dusty Dune Galaxy is actually pretty fun. Important thing is not to do anything hasty here, which I'm taking my good old time with this, just because I haven't played this in a while, and oh, tried to get in there. I'll have to be a little bit patient with that. Use the ground pound to cancel that out. Okay, here's another question coin. But yeah, I'm not even through this mission yet, and I'm already feeling an improvement in my play, playing as Luigi. Which I know a lot, wow, I don't know why I'm having long issues wall jumping, but I know a lot of people have trouble with Luigi just because, especially when he runs, he kind of, it does kind of feel like you're on ice with him if you're not used to how he moves, but once you get the hang of Luigi, he's actually a very good player. As a matter of fact, I think he's a better player in this game than Mario. Or should I say a better character than Mario. But that's just my opinion. I know a lot of people might disagree with me, but I like Luigi in this game. It's nice to actually give him a chance here, and as you can see, he gets the Power Star, and he actually is the hero here, which... yeah, I think I'm gonna be playing as him for a good while on this game. Because he, like I said, everything just feels smoother when I play as him. And I don't know if it's because I got tired of playing as Mario all the time, but yeah, I'm really loving Luigi, and needless to say, I'm not gonna stop using him anytime soon, so we'll get to see a lot more of him in the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I'll be seeing you guys again next time.